Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Learning Series, and my name is Nasir Ahmed, and I launched this course on 28th of February 2024, and this is the 18th chapter of the course. The course is designed in such a way that any kind of learner either learn a new thing or revise what they have learned before. If you are a new learner, then I request you to start from Module 1, Chapter 1 and continue to the next chapter. That will help you to understand the basic foundation of the Excel course before you jump to any formula or any other Excel courses. To find out the other chapters, you please go to my channel, hit the playlist here, then you will find this playlist, that is Excel class basic to advanced. Click here. You will find all these chapters here, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. So you complete each chapter one after another, and then you come to the latest video. That will help you in understanding the basic of Excel in proper way. And if you like my work, please like and share the video, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, enough of introduction and request. Let's jump into the course. Mamangi chapter da koi if nested if the function singsin nabagi tamkhre ngasi gi lecture sida koina tamgadori basi and or and if not if I will try to cover all 3 points in one lecture. I was actually planning to do one lecture each time, but let's see how it goes. If the video is not that long, then I will combine all 3 courses in one chapter, all 3 functions in one chapters. Okay, so before we start, what is how it will actually apply? Kamaina fazana sige khoi real data they apply to gudegi du khangre da and amasung or gi concept si hana khoi to si atop ai file ma mahang ke. Okay, here let's delete this thing. Okay, interview maths ki khoi oja khara logo dore ko math ke oja khara logo dore is the my criteria si qualification percentage degi subject to gi percentage ai tare overall percentage and subject ki percentage. So mina criteria si khara le re eligibility test to doi ni ko eligibility test to doi ni. Let's copy here. Okay, and let's see end dana kamai to gudagi or dana kamai to gudagi. Suppose end hairagadi loina mak thadok pa yada bo idene ba mi sigi end hairadi ma si graduate so ege dobuni magi overall percentage to 55 tagi taro idabani aduga mana maths ki lecture oina selection to godori bani na khan godori bani na maths ki haiba particular subject to adu so 80% tagi taro idabani. So end the all conditions should be fulfilled. Or hairagana normally or hairagadi si natraga si haibanebo no or hairagana ko haidu si ma graduate oiradi yare natragana maths oiradi yare natragana 55% is fangadi yare. Either of the three sida ama khak fulfill oiba kanda ma si eligible oi haidu nebe koina no kamaina adu tawboda ku end amasung or harise standalone na masagi oiba customize oiba result pb yadeba true natraga false boolean neba magi characters true natraga false chumi natraga lali fulfill oi natraga oide eligible oi natraga oide du khatani ba haidu si wahi oina ma eligible oire ma select tore and adu mini ebr oiba. So adu ye e nabagi damakta koina combine toraga sinaga neba to if statement ga if plus and if plus or if plus not sumai tora sinaga ne masa mathan khakta dedi customize oiba message pb yadeba. So first let's understand how n works. And the syntax equal to and okay, logical one logical ma'am happy logic one ham logic the karino masic my qualification is graduate oigedabane hare qualification ki graduation kradi iri b3 da. So select this one b3 equal to kari oigedaba graduate oigedaba. Then percentage du karino du 55 oigedaba or greater than or equal to 55%. Then maths haiba subject su 80% fangadoba greater than equal to greater than equal to 80%. Condition ahummaksi fulfill oiragadi true harakani. Fulfill oidragadi false haigani. So let's see how it works. So it is true. If I change this one to 65, 50, let's see, it says it is a false. Okay, so let's change back to that one. Okay, it's true. Since condition ahummakki neba. Then if in the order na or logic 1 equal to graduate, logic 2 greater than or equal to 55%, logic 3 greater than equal to 80%. This is true lie. Animax true lie. Kalamani end the true lie or the true lie. Or Sinabi Arthakaino end the sinners we are entoga end the Sinabi Arthakaili or the sinners we are in. Kena was logic Uranem. I see the 55 say now 50% high gave. Just see how it works. Now end is become false, but or is still true. Karigino the Kena is false are is magi condition ahummaksi fulfill tawdi. Graduate oire but okay. 80% su fange okay. 55% fangadabani habadudi fangdre besida. Aduna he is not eligible. Here or the graduate oire bra oire 55 fangbra fangde no problem, he is a graduate. Match 80% fangbra fangi no problem. So 1 3 condition like the condition amabu chumagadi, that is true in case of or. But in end, if any of the condition out of the 3 or 4 whatever condition, any of the condition fails, then it is false. Adu false oire sidana true oire but tawma eligible oine koina message oina thoan badi sidam yadri adu thoan bai damakdi real example da koina if ka combine tawraga senaga neba. So let's get back to the real data. Here it is. So before we do it, let's see what is the instruction. Instruction si karino ma sa student is from, if the student is from Kingston and is doing masters, call him Kingstonite. Call him Kingstonite. Kari condition do hidi thoksiko. Kingston school college oigedoba and then masters to tobo oigedoba. Condition si ani si oidineba. Adoragadi masi Kingstonite ni hayo. College maming is the later Kingston yauri, Oxford yauri ko, sumina Harvard yauri, tongan bakari yauri bako. Yauri si the misi Kingston su oigedoba. Aduga course su master oigedoba. Kingston su oiba, master su oiba, adu oiragadi he is a Kingstonite. Otherwise he is not a Kingstonite. So in the condition to fulfill tawrane Kingston su oigedobani, master su oigedobani. So let's see how it works. And if okay. So let's first do the end formula. End karino cell number ka madon leisa college gi ko college cell se b10 da leire equal to kari ahanba condition kanu Kingston oigedoba ani suba condition na karino magi degree sisu masters oigedoba. So degree the select obiro equal to masters bracket close. Let's see, is a false. False hare karigino ma false hare is a, let's get a little bit. Okay, false. My college meaning si Oxford ni, but adagi asi ani condition ani ma fulfill oidra subject su magi kari su degree su bachelors ni sidana Kingston oira. Let's copy all this. Okay, here also false because he is a Kingston but his degree is not masters. So let's see where is the true. Okay, here it is true because college su Kingston ni degree su masters ni. So condition ni se fulfill oira besida. My is the period condition is fulfill wherever, so it is true. But true si later, but masi Kingstonite high have instruction the kari hari kingstonite ko haibne ba sida di true false kaktane wala ise kingstonite en ekoina kauge hen hai targadi sai if condition ga punna hapsela ane. So let's write the if function here. If bracket if की syntax दा logical test है ना कोई नाम लेको हाइरिबल logical test सी n की पूरा सिगी करीसा सिना logical test ओइ करने मु सिन करने true ओइरगदी हाइरगदोइने true ओइरगदी kingstonite true ओइरगदी false ओइरगदी not kingstonite simple यारे को. So here if value if true दा करीगुम्बा हाइरिबल मिसिम kings करी Oxford तंबा Kingston दा तंबा अदुगा master su oibo oragadi chumme harin adu oragadi kari haini kingstonite tamdabo oragadi not a kingstonite. So like not a kingstonite. Let's copy all this thing here. So he is a kingstonite because he is a student of Kingston College and also degree is masters. So the condition, the instruction of the condition is fulfilled. The student is from Kingston and doing masters and then call him kingstonite. So here it is, he is a kingstonite, others are not kingstonite. Now this is how we write if and or and the formula in the same Excel. But instead of writing 2 times nangna kaigumba pro Excel user oige haragadi and haniraga if amu iro pull up na amakta the igneva no amakta ibigi the amakta ku kamaini ni. So let's write it again. Equal to if bracket and bracket logical test 1 equal to inverted comma Kingston logic 1 logic 2 degree equal to masters bracket close condition finish logical test finish value if true kingstonite value if false not a kingstonite. Not a kingstonite. Let's copy all this by dragging, double click. So it gives the same result. So this is how we use if plus and function in Excel. Now let's do another example of if and or. If and or की matang is the instruction se karino pirisa. If student is from Harvard or Oxford, he is from an Ivy League university. Harvard oirasu yare Oxford oirasu yare ko anisi condition anisi the area of fulfill oita aragadi he is from Ivy L university, right? So let's write that one again. First let's write the or function equal to or logical test cell number B10 equal to kariyo ini Oxford mana B Oxford have any or condition number 2 karino or Harvard have ko. So B2 again akoi kari lawni B10 adum lawgani ko same college ming du kogi same column da laibani na B10 adum lawgani. So B10 equal to kari Harvard is a true. Let's copy it to all cells. True, false, true, false, true, false. So true is because he is from Oxford. Kingston, false. Dagi word Harvard kami exe Harvard true. Harvard natraga Oxford po eragadi true have. Now we have to customize to get a customized message. So we have to combine this with the if formula. So write it if bracket logical test or gi syntax na oirani ko sina pull up na logical test oirani sigi saruk se then comma ida haidori kaina IVLY unif highway false oiragadi not ILU harasu yare mana then close bracket close. See he is from IVL university not ILU IVL university not IL university IVL University. The condition is because he is from Oxford. The if and or the Harvard natraga Oxford over. So any of the condition is fulfilled, then he is from IVL University. Here it is Oxford, here it is Harvard, so he is from IVL. He is from Kingston, so he is not from IVL University. So let's rewrite again using from the beginning again. So right here if bracket or bracket logic 1 equal to Oxford, logic 2 B10 Harvard IIL VU univ. Okay, and if not false, not IVL univ. So not spelling lan bako Oxford आएगा the ORXFORD यानी इले रहते हैं इस not lies Oxford and सिसु क्या लोग तो उन्हीं spelling ला लगा दी यार होते हैं. So it is ILV University. Let's copy it. Not ILV University, ILV University, not ILV University. So this is how we can combine the OR function with if and Excel. Now let's do if and not. So before we start, if I'm saying a note session at the note sikari sinadino. So suppose 1, 2. Okay, let's make it 20 numbers. Or I will just simply write sequence. 20. Spell error lie. Okay, 20 layer. Number 20 layer. Sida or haibanga note haibanga anis layer. Kam ganda ko note sin agada give. Note sin aina pa me ba sige number se low ina maksida lay 1 dagi na 20 folks ha. Sida ay 1 dagi 19 ho pa me 20 pam de. Hiring palm drisi gano ama kaktane out of 20 only one number kaktane ba ina palm drisi natra adu waragadi aina or the idosi gano if this is 1 or 2 or 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to 19 bhabu or in lo ineba adu condition ko dibak loi chuma ane 1 ju chumani 2 ju chumani 3 ju chumani 19 du khak 20 du khak tane ba yo loi dis adu di or gi statement si kam sangani mam sage adu gi mahutta aina 20 nattaba 1 dagi 24 lairisi da 20 nattaba ngoi piu haragadi ama khaktani bi idursi adugan 1 to 19 sein fangadorine. So shortcut is better to use the not instead of using or function. Then sidai yengsi the not function instructions ji karinu yengsi ko if not. If the student is from Harvard or Oxford, he is from an Ivy League university. Use formula not to get the same result as previous column. Mamangi column da ekoina high hangrisi da IVL University da gine asida tholi siga chap manana note center ga tholu haibne ado ekoi sidi yeng tare data asida kari college no sidi yawrise college si Oxford yawre Kingston yawre Oxford Harvard yawre Kingston so there are only 3 colleges Oxford ne Kingston ne Harvard ne ohum gatane bi yawrise ado mana sida hairisi Oxford amasung Harvard oiragadi IVL University ni hayo Kingston do oiragadi natti hayo abne to Kingston gaktane be koina lokthokadorisi. So what we are going to find out is that not Kingston nattaba adune we koina find out tawgodorisi. So here the formula should be not then logic am khak yawgani not ani yawbiyati or the mam yawbiyatnes not the logic am khak yawgani kadi condition karamba kalam dano b dani b10 equal to Kingston. True. Hangine be Excel da. Sigi B10 the yoriba college ming si Kingston not tabra and hai ganda Oxford or na yes not there. Matang is a muxing yang si Kingston. Isn't a false. Karigi. Let me just hide some of this thing. sida true haire Oxford haire ko sida true haire sidana Kingston sidi automatically true haire Kingston neba do mana sida aikoina hangi sidi Kingston nattabra hangbane not b equal to Kingston b11 equal to Kingston oidabra haibane sidi oiragadi false sidi Kingston ni nattaba natte haire la adugi false la ine so maina atai is true false lo lai hojik customize message do phangna bai damakta we have to combine this with if. Okay, so let's try to include if function here. If logical test is not sin oirani comma value if true kai gumba sin true ay taragadi Kingston natte hai na true ay taragadi kai oirani IVL University unif false oiragadi kari oirani not IVL unif say sida yawba siga mangi kalam da yawdu chap manna putho haibane siga manare ko not ILV unif not ILV unif ILV unif ILV unif not ILV so we can use or as well as not na karam ga sinagani aina not ina tawdori ba condition do aduna minimum oigedo amakha oigedo adu kanda sida one example the period adumena so let's rewrite this formula once again from the start from the if equal to if not function mo hapasi b10 se koi khanga sida leire ko b10 gi sida leire chimpa pu bagi ne b10 or sida natraga din hoi direct sida so mane click ko hoi na hoi da mukta ko let's see b10 so mane click to hoi da na ba khanga ga di ke su kaidre equal to okay Kingston bracket close value true IVL unif false waragana not IVL unif. Let's copy this formula to the entire column. So boom, it's done. So this is how we can combine and or and not function with if and use in our day-to-day uses, just like the example I have given for the interview of maths lecture. And this is for this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye bye.